Hey, what's up, everybody? Monty here. It's finally here. Yes, you're looking at it. Yes, I know I'm crazy. Okay. And it's a good one, too. Also got a hybrid liquid cooling kit with it. I don't know. It costs a little bit more, but they just didn't have the 3090 for the Win Ultra with the hybrid in stock. I wasn't able to keep for that. This was the only one that... This was the one that popped up on my auto notify, so I was like, screw it, I'll just get it. It's really funny because this is the third chance that I had to get a 3090 out of all these times, and I still can't get a 3080. That's a big joke. It's like I can get a 3090. They're not, I wouldn't say plentiful, but to try and get a 3080 though, it's just impossible. I've been trying, as you guys know, I've been talking about in the previous videos. It's ever since it came out. I just been looking and trying to get one. Anyways, so 3090 for the Win 3 Ultra. This is EVGA. I already checked it out on the inside. Here's my part number if you guys are curious. 24G P53987KR. So yeah, definitely excited to get this out of the box installed, and then hook up this hybrid cooling kit that I also bought for the Win 3 as well. So stay tuned. Yeah, should have something for you guys soon. I'm definitely curious to see what this runs like. If you guys if you guys are just tuning in, I did upgrade my monitor to the LG CX OLED 48 inch. So I'm gaming right now currently at 120 hertz at 4K, but I'm not able to do the 444 Chrome. I'm only able to do 422 or 420 actually, and it works just fine. But it has like a red, like aliasing, like a shade effect on text, just a little bit. In games, I don't notice it at all. It's only on like Windows text that is real thin. Anyways, yeah. So I'm plugging all this in. I think it will work out really good. I only have a 760 watt power supply. It is a platinum power supply with it's the Corsair AX760. It should be enough. It says here on here you only need 350 watts. And then I got my 10900K overclocked to 5.2 gigahertz as well. But I got a UPS down here and a CyberPower 810 watts. So I'll be able to check that out, see exactly how much wattage I'm using from pulling from that. But yeah, I'm really excited. It's finally here, the 3090 for the Win 3 Ultra EVGA. Finally got it. 24 gigs. It's completely overkill. This whole system's overkill, but screw it. Why not? If you can do it, do it. If not, just enjoy whatever you got. But yeah, definitely excited. So anyways, I hope you guys like this update. I'm definitely thrilled about it. I have to pull the 2080 Ti out that I got in here right now and install this. First, I got to install the cooler on this guy. And then after I install the cooler on that, then I got to install it in the computer. But first, I got to run a display driver on installer, get rid of all the old drivers, and then put it at bone stock, and then pull the card out, and just swap it, more or less. So, yeah, super excited. Anyways, hit the like button, guys. Subscribe if you can. I'm trying to get to 1,000. I got about 330, about 230 actually. 330, I don't know. Anyways, trying to get to 1,000 before the end of the year. But otherwise, yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.